It was a great honor and privilege to welcome again our national validators, our ultimate goal of attaining our SGLG seal of good government. So sa aton mga evaluators here, as represented by Pablo Benitez Jr., RD, Regional Director, Misamis Occidental. June, thank you for coming. Kami ni June, we share a common passion. Food, of course, and visual arts. Guys, nagpapakanto kami we're not talking about SGLG, we're talking about arts. June, thank you and welcome together with Alex Mego. Sure, thank you, Alex, for again being with us. And of course, my mom, Justine Ledesma, thank you, and also for raising us. And yes, June, ito yung Vice Mayor natin and our City Administrator, Attorney Mitch Goromeo. With us also our City Councilors, Councilor Judge Frances Guanzon, Councilor Dean Disuyo, Councilor Kay Gustilo, Councilor Sheila Tabanao, Councilor CJ Orbido, Councilor Warren Zaragoza, Councilor Marlon Metoda, Councilor Vincent Escalante, Councilor Fria Cervantes, and Councilor Laden Ramirez. And also like to acknowledge our DLG officer, Ma'am Shalimar, where is she? Ma'am Shalimar. And of course, we're supporting Ma'am E. Ma'am, thank you, Ma'am, for again being with us. Walang sawa na nagsiservisyo sa city. And June and Alex and Ma'am Justine, with us are the men and women of the city of Cadiz. Ito yung mga movers namin dito sa city. And I'm very proud of this team because these past few years we have gathered so much accolade from the national government. And recent was our Lungsod, second year awardee ng city. And prior to that, we were adjudged by DTI as the number 2 component city in the entire Visayas, and number 1 in Negros Occidental. And prior to that, again, we were again given accolade by no less than the President himself, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, in his program under the Galing Buok Award, Walang Gutom Awards, awarded to us, the city of Cadiz. We were one of the 3 cities that was given the due recognition through the Galing Buok Award. Also, these are but a few of the achievements that we have received this past few months. So as we again prepare for this validation of this Galing Book, this seal of local good government, it is really my pleasure, June, to introduce to you our team, because before we did this 5 years ago, talagang nasa harap, naghihirap kami. No, we scramble to catch up. Kung ano yung mga kulang, ganito yung kulang. But this time, when the SGLG call was sounded, submit your papers, complete na. Konting adjustments na lang, konting habol sa produce ng papers. But nevertheless, Sir June, we have done our share. I'm happy with this team, and I hope that you also recognize the effort that these individuals have done for the city of Cadiz. So, reaching this validation is a testimony already of our achievement, because we can never reach this far if we are not prepared and if not ready. And also, Sir June, in front of us are the men and women of the people of Cadiz ready for your validation. So with that, let us all give a good hand to our validators who had traveled all from, I think, Cagayan de Oro. Not just Cagayan de Oro. They will be going back tomorrow. So, traveling from Cagayan de Oro, you have to go through Manila, then Cavite, and then Bacolod. Before there was a direct flight from Cagayan de Oro to Bacolod. I know that because I have also a business in Cagayan de Oro. I operate a fleet of howlers there who howl with Hulsen, the one in Lugait, in Salvador. So anyway, June in front of us, and the men and women, the people of God, of the city government of God is ready for your validation. So palakpakan natin si June, and may God bless us all.